Hi everyone, are you guys done with your O-levels and A-levels? If yes, we have great news for you guys. BCAS Kalmunai Campus is proud to announce Open Week 2025. This is your opportunity to shape your future and find out what is best for your career path. 21st until the 27th of July, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Sunday, we are going to be having this event happening right here in our campus, BCAS Campus Kalmunai. Throughout the week, you'll have access to engaging workshops where you can learn by doing one-on-one counseling sessions to help guide your next steps, and live mini expo showcasings real student projects from our campus, lucky draws and giveaways to keep things more exciting, and special discounts available for students who register on the spot. If you're serious about building a future in IT, engineering and business, this is the perfect place for you guys to start your path. You'll not only get a glimpse of how students' life is at BCAS, but also you will get a chance to know how we get prepared for industry from day one. So come join us at BCAS Campus for the Open Week 2025. It's more than just an event. This is going to shape your future.